We're in Jamestown and we're at Railtown. We've been here before and we've ridden the train, but that was under normal circumstances. Right now it's Halloween, and so we're here for the Skeleton Express, I think it is. I'm Michelle, and here we go. Railtown 1897 is also known as the Movie Railroad. Yes, these trains are movie stars. I pick up my tickets early to give time to explore the grounds. There's some legitimate creepiness going on here. All right, I think this is not going to be your typical train ride. Wow, live entertainment? Okay then. And here comes the Skeleton Starlight right now. I wonder just what this evening holds for us. At least the engineers seem fully alive. As it turns to twilight, the ambiance certainly gets amped up, and soon it's time to board. Now, just where to sit? Yeah, not under him. Look, I've made a skeleton friend. I think we're in for a treat, or maybe a trick. And we're off. Free popcorn. I like. Let's explore some of the other cars. Hey, they got tables. I want a table. But my car seems to be the party car. I think I'll just stay here. We seem to be slowing down. I see. Quite literally a ghost town. With witches as well. Wait, what? You're letting them on board? So, just what is she handing out? Poison apples? No, it seems to be candy. Hey, these witches sure can party. Soon, everyone is caught up in a sing-along session. But all good things must come to an end, and soon we're pulling back into the station. If you want to join in on future destinations, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing.